Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an ultimate clean with me, and I have quite a few rooms in my house that need some attention today. If you guys saw my last video, it was a laundry talks video, so I'm just cleaning up the remnants from that. I filmed that first, and now I have all these stacks of laundry to put away. So I'm just taking all those stacks of laundry, putting it into each separate room, and then once I get into cleaning each separate room, I'll be putting those piles of laundry away. I hope that made sense. But as I'm going, I'm just going to clean up all the toys. Right now it is the weekend, so I have out these trains are they're for my son just to play with on his own. Like the other daycare kids aren't allowed to play with them because I feel like it's really important that he has some toys that he just plays with on his own. So it's the weekend, so he had some of those out, so I took those back to his room, and now I'm just going ahead and continuing to tidy up the living room.
We had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages.
You guys, take a look at the bottom of my TV and all those little handprints. I can't. Like, oh my goodness. My boyfriend the other day was like, what happened to the TV? So I was like, I'll clean it in my next cleaning video. But I really have such a hard time cleaning my TV. It takes me forever. I didn't even show you guys all the time I spent on it because it took me probably a half an hour to try and clean it. And I guess I just must not have a good way. All I've been using is a little bit of water on a microfiber cloth. But does anybody else have any tips or tricks to help get some smudges off of your TV, off your flat screen? I'm not sure what products I should be using and what is not safe to use. So I used this, but it sure didn't seem to work very well. It just left so many streaks, and I had to keep going over it and over and over it. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips or tricks for that.
It's on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this.
So now, like I said, I had these piles of laundry that I just put into every room, and I went ahead and put those away. I had my son's diaper bag out because he was going that night to be staying overnight at his auntie's for his first ever sleepover over there. So I had a bunch of stuff that I needed to put in there, and then I took the bag back to his room because then later on we'll be doing some packing in there. But just gonna continue on tidying up the kitchen. The kitchen wasn't too bad this morning. Before I decided that I was going to film this video, I had already unloaded and reloaded my dishwasher, so I didn't really have too much to do with that. I just had the rest of the breakfast dishes to put away and just kind of tidy up the counters, anything that was left over there that wasn't supposed to be there, and wipe them down. But other than that, it was a fairly quick process with the kitchen this time.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
So now we are heading into the master bedroom, as you can see here, and I am just once again going through and putting back all the clothes from the piles that I had from earlier, and I'm going through and collecting all of the things that need to be washed still and putting that in the bins and just hanging up the rest of the laundry. So once I'm done that, I'm going to start by dusting the top of that dresser, which, oh my gosh, you guys, don't ever get black dressers. It is insane and how much dust it collects. And plus my little white kitty there, Willow, oh my gosh, she is such a shedder. She sheds way more than my black cat, and so just her hair is just always everywhere. It's insane. So we're going to start by making the bed here. I feel like once you get your bed made, the room just looks 1,000% better. It just, no matter what, even if you have a mess everywhere else, the room still looks somewhat clean as long as you have your bed made. So that is definitely a must. I try to do it every morning, but it's really hard for me because my boyfriend works on the railroad, so he works crazy, insane hours. So lots of times he's like sleeping during the day. So I obviously can't have my bed made if he's sleeping in it during the day. So whenever he is up or he's not there, then I always take advantage of that and use that time to make sure that I can make my bed. Now I'm just moving over into my nightstand and clearing everything off there. And now moving into my son's room. Like I said before, putting away all those piles of clothes. I don't know if I've ever done a cleaning video in my son's room. I think this is the first time you guys have ever seen my son's room. But I'm just going through, and that dresser where his change center is just gets so messy. Everything gets pulled off it. I always have stuff on the wall that he pulls down when I'm changing his diaper, and all the time his diapers need to be refilled and all that kind of sort of thing. So it's always a big mess. So I try to tidy it up. Usually every day I end up tidying it up, but in this particular occasion, I needed to refill the diapers, and I'm going to be going ahead and fixing up the wall there. Like I said, I have stuff that hangs up there, but he's always pulling them down whenever he's getting his diaper changed. So we're starting to think about potty training, which I cannot wait for. But as of right now, he pretty much wants nothing to do with it. So he is 2.5, so it's about time to start trying. But yeah, right now he wants nothing to do with it. I'm also going to be packing, like I told you earlier. He's going to be going to his auntie's for a sleepover, so I am going to be doing a little bit of packing in this video as well for him, getting together his clothes and everything and his monitor and all that sort of stuff. So that's what I'm starting to do right now.
Like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, I'm so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I'm so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down.
All right, you guys, so our last room of the day is the daycare room in my basement. So I definitely thought I would include this just because I know everybody needs some motivation when it comes to cleaning their kids' toy rooms. And my toy room is insane all the time because I have a daycare in my house. So I definitely can use some motivation to clean, and I know you guys can too. So I thought I'd show you this. And in a minute here, you're going to see me doing something kind of funny. I should have probably slowed it down, but you're going to see me stomping on a balloon. And the reason that I did that is because I had a viewer tell me that her daughter really wanted me to stomp on the balloons the next time I cleaned this room. She just kept asking her mom for me to stomp on the balloons. So that's why I did that, and they didn't break. Anyways, you guys, we're coming to the end of this video, so I wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you got a lot of cleaning motivation from this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.